Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to set up Wix booking. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in wix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Wix if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we have your sites. We have the setup home, we have the settings, the design site in the bottom left corner, we have the design site in the top right corner, and the dashboards where we are at the very moment now. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and set up Wix booking. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So to set up Wix booking in Wix, follow these 7 steps. Step 1 is to go to booking services in your site's dashboard. Then when you went to booking services in your site dashboard, the step 2 is to click plus, add a new service. Then step 3 is to choose a type of appointment you want to create. Step 4 is to edit the relevant appointment template. Then set up a payment method to accept online payments. After that, create a service package or plan to offer to your client. And then add a Wix booking to your site by going to the Wix bookings in the app, mark it, and clicking add to site. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.